Okay, now you can make a note of important points. The first one is the attractive force which holds various constituents together in different species is called a chemical bond. So what is a chemical bond means? The attractive force which holds various constituents together in different species is called as a chemical bond. And already we all know that noble gases are monoatomic, means only one atom: helium He, neon Ne, argon Ar, krypton Kr, xenon Xn, radon Rn, oxygen Og. So these all are monoatomic. So they do not combine either with their own atoms or atoms of other substances. And these are unique gases having 8 electrons except helium. Helium has only 2 electrons. That's why it is called as duplet configuration in their respective valency shells, and their configuration is called as an octet configuration. So any atom except noble gases, atoms of all other elements have 1 to 7 electrons in their valency shell. So atoms of these elements always try to attain octet configuration in order to become stable, and this concept was given by Lewis. Okay, you make a note of this. The next two important points I will give you. First point, the attractive force which holds various constituents or atoms or ions etc. together in different species is called a chemical bond. Noble gases are monoatomic. They do not combine either with their own atoms or atoms of other substances. These are unique gases having 8 electrons except helium in their respective valency shells, and their configuration is called an octet configuration. Helium has only 2 electrons as it has only one main energy level. So this is called duplet configuration. Except noble gases, atoms of all other elements have 1 to 7 electrons in their valency shells. So atoms of these elements strive to attain octet configuration in order to become stable. You note down all these points. So next point, sir, in order to attain stability, atoms unite to form molecules. So already we said that atoms combine to form molecules in order to attain stability, and the rearrangement of the electrons will result in a formation of bond, and during the formation of the bond energy will be reduced, and thereafter the atom molecule will become stable. Next, a molecule will be formed only if it is more stable than the individual atoms by lowering its energy. And chemical bond is nothing but union of two or more atoms involving or redistribution of the electrons among them. And every system tends to be more stable, and bonding is the natural way of lowering the energy of the system to attain stability. And chemical bonding process is accompanied by the decrease in energy. You can note down clearly. In order to attain stability, atoms unite to form molecules. Their electrons get rearranged and a bond is said to be formed. During the formation of the bond, energy of participating atoms get reduced and thereby the molecules become stable. A molecule will be formed only if it is more stable and has a lower energy than the individual atoms. Chemical bond is union of two or more atoms involving redistribution of electrons among them. Every system tends to be more stable, and bonding is a natural way of lowering the energy of the attained system. In order, chemical bonding process is accompanied by decrease in energy. And one more point is that is what with this we will stop today's notes and everything. What is that? Attraction is inversely proportional to energy and is directly proportional to stability. And one more thing is what? Decrease in energy is directly proportional to strength of bond. And one more point is what? Bond formation is an exothermic process. It is an exothermic process. So what are the conditions, causes for the chemical combination? Causes for chemical combination. Why atoms combine? What is the major reason? First one is what? Now we have seen, that is octet rule. Okay. In order to attain 8 electrons, they will be trying. And the second one is what? Tendency of the atom to get minimum energy. Okay. Tendency to acquire minimum energy. Okay. So these are the major causes for the chemical combination. And next, Lewis dot structures. So what is Lewis dot structure actually, or the Lewis symbols? We will write directly Lewis symbols or electron dot symbols. Electron dot symbols. Lewis symbols or electron dot symbols. What does it means? So Lewis said that any atom tries to attain 8 electrons in the in its valency shell. So these valency electrons are represented by a particular symbols called as electron dot symbols or Lewis symbols. Okay, and the Lewis dots will help us to find out the common valency of the electrons. Okay, to find out the common valency, to find out the common valency of the element, Lewis symbols are used. Lewis symbols are useful. Okay, Lewis symbols are useful to find out the common valency. And another definition, we will write the definition: valency electrons of the participating atom atoms are shown in the form of dot or cross. That is dot like this or cross. See, two atoms will be there now, generally in bond formation. So one atom electrons, valency electrons are shown by dot, and other atom electrons are shown by cross. Now we will see some examples. Write the Lewis symbol for first Na and Na plus. How you will write for this? Na and Na plus. Simple example. See, sodium atomic number is how much? 11. So we will write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. So that can be written as 281, or we can write it as neon 3s1. Okay, so the valency electrons are how many now? These are the valency, only one electron is there. So in Lewis dot formula will be like this: Na dot. For sodium, this is the Lewis dot formula. Next, for Na plus. Na plus means what? It has lost one electron. Lost one electron. So its electronic configuration will be how? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Okay, so 2 comma 8. The valency shell is what here now? 8. So you have to write the valency structure of Na plus as how many electrons you have to show now? 8 electrons. So this is the structure of Na plus. In the same way, suppose now Al and Al3 plus is there. What is the Lewis symbol for Al? Aluminium is how much? 13. 13 means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p1. 6, 4, 10 to 13. Okay, 2 comma 8 comma 3. Or you can also write like this: neon 3s2, 3p1. It can be shown like this. Okay, this is the structure. Now, how we will write? For aluminium, 3 electrons. So 3 and 1. This is the structure. Now, aluminium plus 3 means neon. 8 electrons you have to show. This is the Lewis structure of Al is this and Al3 plus is this. Like that you try for, okay, you try for hydrogen and H minus. You try the structure for hydrogen and H minus, S and S2 minus, and P for Lewis dot symbols for H minus, S2 minus, P3 minus. So this is all about the chemical bonding first topic. So next in the coming session, okay, in the coming sessions we will be having let me conclude today's class. In the coming sessions we will be having the discussion why do atoms combine? Why do atoms combine? Why do atoms combine? Why are only certain combinations are possible? Why are only certain combinations are possible? Why not all combinations are not possible? Why do atoms combine? Why do some atoms combine while certain others do not? And why do molecules possess different definite shape? Okay, so we will be discussing in the next class why do atoms combine, why are only certain combinations are possible, why do some atoms combine while certain others do not, and why do molecule possesses definite shape. And for all these you will get the answers by the discussion of Kozal and Lewis theory. Just we have discussed now, that is Lewis dot formula. There is one theory that, and Vesper theory. What is Vesper theory? Means valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. Okay, this is Vesper theory. Vesper theory means valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. Okay, that is the thing. And we have VB theory. What is meant by VB theory? That is valency bond theory. Valency bond theory. Valency bond theory. And we have Young theory. That is molecular orbital theory. Molecular orbital theory. Okay, so under chemical bonding you will be learning all these theory, and all these theory will answer these 4 questions. Okay, so this is all about the introductory part of chemical bonding. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me. Okay, why do atoms combine? Why are only certain combinations are possible? Why do some atoms combine while certain others do not? And why do molecules possess definite shape? So these all will be discussed under Kozal-Lewis theory, Vesper theory, VB theory and Young theory. What is Vesper theory? Full form means valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. And VB theory is valency bond theory. And Young theory is molecular orbital theory.